strong.
Good morning, dear students. You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel, Primary K Punk with Tarkeshwar Pandey. In our today's video, we will know about how to make an angle tester. So be ready and learn today how will you make an angle tester by using a rough paper from your home. It's very easy to make an angle tester. Now I am going to show you how can you make an angle tester. I have one A4 size sheet and this is a rough A4 size sheet. I have also another A4 size sheet. This is also a rough A4 size sheet. First of all, we have to fold this sheet like this. Okay, I have folded this sheet like this. After that again I have folded this sheet from here and I have got one piece of paper like this. Again we have to fold the next A4 size sheet like this and again fold this sheet like this. Then you will find two paper like this after folding. Then after you have to join these two sheets by using anything. You can use nail, iron nail, you can also use matchstick, or you can also use any pointed object to join these two sheets. I am going to do a hole by using this pen. After that I will join these two sheets like this by using matchstick. Okay, I hope you are getting this activity. I am going to do a hole in this page. I have done the hole in first page. After that I have done the hole in second page. Now I am going to put the matchstick in the first hole and after that the same matchstick in the second hole. Okay, wait for some time. I have added the matchstick in first hole, then I have added the matchstick in second hole. Now my angle tester is ready. You can look here, the matchstick, I have put this matchstick in these two sheets of paper and this is an angle tester. Now when you will open this angle tester, it will look like this. If you will measure anything by using this angle tester and this angle tester looks like this L shape, then the measurement of angle will be right angle. Okay, if the measurement will be like this, like the shape of L, then you will say this is a right angle. If the measurement will be like this or this type of measurement, then you will say less than right angle. It means when this part of the sheet will be in the right side down, then this angle will be less than 90 degree. If the part of this sheet will be down in the left side, then the measurement of the angle will be more than 90 degree. So there will be three measurement. First, right angle. Second, less than right angle. And third, more than right angle. Okay, so you can make an angle tester at your home by using any rough sheets or any rough paper. You can also use cardboard or chart paper for this purpose, and by using cardboard and chart paper your angle tester will be strong. So now I am going to measure an angle of our mathematics book. This is your mathematics book, Math Magic 5. And I am going to measure the angle of this mathematics book, and the angle is here. Are you looking this book? Yes. I am going to measure this angle. This angle is just like L. So we can say that the angle of mathematics book is right angle. Okay. Again, you can make many things by using this angle tester, and after measuring you can say your answer either right angle or less than right angle or more than right angle. Okay, I have no any other thing to measure the angle, but you can measure the angle of your table, you can measure the angle of your textbook, you can measure the angle of your notebook, you can measure the angle of anything. I am going to measure the angle between my two fingers. This is also an angle, so I am going to measure this angle by using this angle tester. Yes, the shape is just like this. So what will you call, what is the measurement of my two fingers? Yes, very good. You have said well. The measurement of between my two fingers is less than right angle. So less than right angle will be the correct answer. If I am going to measure this angle between my thumb and index finger, then what will be the measurement? Now look here. This measurement is just like this. So what will you tell about this measurement? Is it a right angle? Is it an acute angle? Is it an obtuse angle? Yes, it is an obtuse angle. So the measurement between my two fingers, thumb and index finger, is more than right angle. So you can say obtuse angle also. If the angle will be more than right angle, then you can say obtuse angle. If the angle will be less than right angle, then you can say acute angle. And if the angle will be just like letter L, then you can say right angle. Dear students, if you will look in your geometry box, then you will find an instrument like this. And this instrument, you can look here, the picture of this instrument I have shown in the corner of this video. This instrument is called divider. And this instrument is also used for measuring angle. So if you have instrument box, then you can also use your divider for measuring angles. I hope you have understood how to make an angle tester by using rough paper from your home, and you will definitely use this angle tester for measuring different angles in different things at your home. And after measuring, definitely I hope you will prepare a list. You will write the name of things. After that you will write the measurement of angle by using angle tester. If the measurement is right angle, then you will write right angle. If the measurement will less than right angle, then you can write either less than right angle or you can write acute angle. If the measurement will be more than right angle, then you can write obtuse angle, or you can also write more than right angle. So this is an activity about how to make an angle tester. We will meet again in the next activity, and you will know about the next activity in the next video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.